Morning students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with the another topic, that is story writing. Story writing is very important topic from your syllabus. Now you are in 7th standard. You will get this story writing in 8th, 9th, 10th. In all the grades you will get this story writing. So it is very important to listen carefully how to write a story in English. Story writing is a work of fiction or imagination. Means story writing is not real work, it is just our imagination. We are imagining the things and writing down. It is not a real work. And story in story writing we are writing the things which are easy to understand. Means it is having easily understandable grammatical structures. Means the grammatical structure of the story will be very simple, and it should be as direct and as brief as possible. Means it should be direct so that it can be easily understandable. Now I will tell you the 5 key elements of a story, or the stages of a story, we can say. These 5 stages or the elements of the story are very important. First is character. Character is very important in story writing. Then comes the setting, then plot and conflict, and in the last is theme. So character, setting, plot, conflict and theme. What is the character in the story? Character, it can be the protagonist of the story, the main character, as well as the side characters. There should be 2 to 3 main character in the story along with some side characters. Setting is the time frame and place of the story. Means how you are making the things in the story. Plot, we can say that it is the flesh and the muscle of the story. Means it is considered very important. In plot we have to combine all the things that is going to happen in the story. Conflict, the 4th element of the story is conflict. Conflict is a challenge which the main character need to solve in order to achieve goals. Means it is a kind of challenge in the story that is poses before the characters in order to solve the problem. Now comes the theme. Theme is the central idea of the story. Means the central idea. And we can say that it is the skeleton or a framework of a story, and it is always decorated by plot, setting, conflict and character. So in theme everything is combined from the character to the conflict. Now there are some 10 important tips how to write the story. Means there are important tips to write the story are, first of all, that the character should be very few. Means few characters should be used. Only 2 to 3 main characters should be there, and or 2 or 3 side characters should be there. Develop character from theme. Means we have to develop the character from theme. It should be very easy for us to make the story. Single and short frame. Means if the frame will be very short or even single, it will be very easier for you to make the story. Vivid surrounding. Means the surrounding should be very clear, and the first line of the story should be very catchy. Means it should be full of suspense or mystery, so that the interest in the story should be created. Now comes to the 6th point, that choose suitable point of view. Means your point of view should be very suitable. You should not shift from one point of view to the another point of view in the story. The point of view that around which you are setting your story should be very suitable. One conflict only. Means only one conflict should be there. Means we can say that only one challenge before the character should be there. It will make your story very simple to understand. Intense but real conflict, and conflict should be intense. Means it should be intense but it look like real conflict. It looks like real conflict. Theme, more very important thing in the story is theme. We should focus on the theme of the story. It should not go away from our hands till the end. We should focus over the theme, but at the last break rules if needed. Means you can break rules a little bit also if you need to develop your own story. So these are the 10 important tips to write the story. Now comes, instead of this, while writing the story we should keep these things in our mind. That is, the narrative should be first, second and third person. Means it should be first person, second person or third person. Meaningful dialogue should be used, and these dialogues should have expression also. We should add some dialogues in the story, and these dialogues have expressions. 2 3 main characters and few side characters should be added. And now one of the important thing, that plot should be interesting. If the plot of the story will be interesting, there will be mystery in the story, suspense will also be created, but it should be short, because if the plot will be short, then you will not exceed the word limit. Now in plot, what one should include: what happens, where happens, how happens, then storyline comes, then the action of the story, flashback if any, there, conflict means challenge, I have already told you, creating tension, mystery, suspense, empathy, crisis also in the story, and then if there is any turning point in the story which makes the reader surprised. So these are the some of the texts which will help you in writing the story. I will provide you the topic for the story. Always you will get first line of the story, and then you have complete the rest of the story by developing characters, setting, plot, conflict and theme. So I will provide you the topic of the story, and you have to write your story in the notebook and submit it to me. Goodbye students.